our overall focus is helping people leverage disruptive change. We just accept now that that's just a word, a set of words that describes the world. We live in disruptive times. What we want to do is help people turn that to opportunity. You can't mitigate major global shifts. You can't stop those things from happening, but they always create opportunities if you're prepared to look for it. How do you generate sustainable value over time? Are there different types of disruptors that you're facing as an organisation? Really start exposing what are the capabilities that we have now, what are we going to need into the future, and is there some of that already within us unconsciously that we can start pulling out?
I think Australian organisations need to really open their minds up to ask for the help that's needed, to create partnerships with forward-thinking leaders in the area, to get on top of reskilling, to get on top of new operational models, and to say, yeah, this is uncomfortable. I don't really know what to do in this situation, and to sit around the table with diverse minds and problem solvers and work it out.